I'm gonna be showing you how I make custom thumbnails for YouTube videos. First thing, before you even make a thumbnail, is get a app or whatever you're using. If you're on a computer, if you're on a phone, I use a phone, so I use an app called InShot because it doesn't need you to pay. It doesn't so it's 100% free. So in here, you just go to photo, new, and then pick a photo that you want to use. So what I could do is background for the thumbnail. That's what I usually do because I usually like to adjust the background colors, make it look nicer. So let's go to this, make it 6:9 or 920 by 1080. Then make sure you crop this to also be like that. Zoom it in. Let's go to adjust. Let's turn this up and turn this down. Then we're gonna do a cutout. So this is that. You could also do this, make sure it's right. Make sure that outlines you perfectly, so it does. Boom, that's me. Then this, and then we could put an element or text, maybe YouTube thumbnail. Right, so we're gonna do YouTube. So actually, I'll put me over here. Let's do this to me, that way, that. We're gonna make YouTube. Then we're gonna do glow. Let's make that just like that. Actually, let's get a good font. Let's take that away. Make sure you also have shadow there, just like this. We could also do some adjustments to me. That's basically how, boom, we could add an element there. That's a thumbnail. People will see the thumbnail. It's very simple, so they'll click on it more. That's how you get more clicks.